स्टूडेंट्स, तो आज की इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 7 के इंग्लिश हनीकॉम्ब चैप्टर 2 अ गिफ्ट ऑफ चप्पल के एमसीक्यू देखेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, द ग्रैंड मदर टुक मृदु टू ए रुक्स हाउस, बी Manuf's house, C music teacher, and D Rook's money's house. The answer is Rook's money's house. Question 2. The pair of chappal was a torn, B quite small, and C covered with dust, and D both A and C. Answer is covered with dust. Question 3. The secret was not shared as a tapi will get energy. B. The elder did not like any kitten. C. Mrithu will tell the aunt. D. Both A and B. Answer is the elder did not like any kitten. Question 4. Ravi got milk for the kitten from A. The market, B. The kitchen, and C. The cupboard, and D. The fridge. Answer is the kitchen. Question 5th. Ravi spoke high of Ampi Punnal. A. To impress Mridhu, B. To show off his knowledge, C. As he was related to it, and D. Both A and B. Answer is to impress Mridhu. Question 6. A scratch won't sound. A. Send shivers to Ampi Punnal. B. Start Mridhu, and C. Frightened Mahendran, and D. Both B and C. Answer is both B and C. Question 7. The music master was expressed his music. A. Had high notes. B. Impressed Lali. C. Could not learn by Lali. D. Both B and C. Answer is both B and C. B is impressed Lali and C could not be learned by Lali. Question 8. A sharp V-shaped like between Mani eyebrow should suggest A. She was happy, B. She was getting angry, and she was thinking hard, and D. Both A and C. Answer is C. Getting angry. Question 9. The chappal were given to the beggar because these chappal were dirty. B. They belong to the music master. C. The children has taken pity. Ravi was a naughty boy on the beggar. Answer is C. The children had taken pity. Question 10. Mridu told Rukumani all about the chappals because A. She was a truthful girl, B. She was against Ravi, and C. Through Rukmani was punished her if she did not tell her the truth. D. She thought Rukmani won't be so angry if she knew the truth. Answer is D. She thought Rukmani won't be so angry if she know the truth. Question 11. Rukmani gave some refreshment Mridu because Mridu has spoken the truth. B. Mridhu was her guest, and C. Mridhu was hungry, and D. She was Mridhu's mother. Answer is Mridhu was her guest. Question 12. The chappals given to the music master A. Pleased him, B. Displeased him, C. Irritated him, D. Were refused by him. Pleased him. The chappal of music teacher were a brand new, B. Old, C. Colorful, and D. Stolen. Then answer is colorful. Question 14. Where did Ravi hide the kitten? A backyard, behind a thick bitter berry bush, a ton of football, D. Of all of these. Answer is D. All of these. 15. Pati will for Padu Mummy's house of she knows we have a B. Happy dog, B. B. Hungry cat, C. Live cat, D. Live dog. Answer is live cat. Question 16. Dash was the little kitty's name is Mahishrendra, B. Mridhu, C. Mahapat, and D. Mahendra. Then answer is D. Mahendra. Question 17. The cat was a descendant from Chola dynasty, Palwan dynasty, Chanakya dynasty. None of this. Answer is Palwan dynasty. Question 18. The cat were worshipped in Pune, B. Mahendrabalipuram, C. India, and D. Egypt. Answer is Egypt. Question 19. The sound that comes from Lali's violin was a scratching, B. Melodies, C. Witching, and D. Screeching. Answer is screeching. Question 20. The beggar spread his upper cloth under the neem tree to sleep under the tree, bask in the sun, C. Wait for the earth, D. Show his anger. Answer is bask in the sun. 21. Question 21. Who was the famous for his generosity in Mahabharata? A. Arjun, B. Krishna, C. Karna, and D. Bhim. Answer is Karna. Question first. Identical people and we. A. Colony member and the B. Family member and the group family. C. Elder and children. D. Environmentalized and children. Answer is elder and children. Question second. Meena shared with Mridhu the biryani cooked by Ruku. B. The secret about the cat in the money backyard. C. The chocolate Ravi brought. And D. The advice given by beggar. Answer is the secret about the cat in the money backyard. Ravi poured the milk for the kitten that he brought from A. the kitchen, B. the fridge, C. the market, and D. the dairy. Answer is the kitchen. Question 2. Question first. Pati explained to Tapi that the beggar was very notarized should beg from some other house, should find some other person. D. Never listen to hear. The answer is should beg from some other house. Question 2. The bigger rise is was to A. Beg for money, B. Beg for alms, and C. Beg for food and rest. D. Beg for rest. Answer is beg for food and rest. Question 3. Rukmani told Ravi to tell the beggar A. Not to come again, B. To take food, C. To rest under the tree, and D. The find food elsewhere. Not to come again. Question first. Rukmani offered chappals that were old and worn out, B new, C big in size, and D small in size. Answer is new. Question 2. On seeing the chappals, the music master A was too happy, B grew angry, C picked them to keep in his bag, D sat down to wear them. Answer is who was too happy. Ravi's chappal were in question as he would not have given his, B he would have given his own chappal if they were perfect fit chappal if they were a perfect fit. C his chappal fitted the D the chappal did not fitted bigger foot fit. Answer is he would have given his own chappal if they were a perfect fit chappal if they were perfect fit. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। और वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो सब्सक्राइब कर देना, लाइक कर देना और शेयर कर देना। और अगली वीडियो में इन दोनों चैप्टर 3 क्वेश्चन और अ गिफ्ट ऑफ चप्पल का टेस्ट भी होगा, तो सब्सक्राइब कर देना और बेल आइकन भी दबा देना, जिससे आपको मेरे अगले क्वेश्चन टेस्ट का नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए। एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल, अदर चैनल, subscribe and press bell icon and like the video.